Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Aliff Iqmal. So today I'll be presenting our system for BITP 3423 special topic for software engineering. So we have developed a system called Healthcare Information System. So basically, Healthcare Information System is a system that help to ease the process of consultation within the patient and also the doctor. So we have three different objectives. So the first one is the patient. Is to keep a patient personal information and medical history. Second one is the queue. So it is to create a systematic queuing system for the patients. The third one is the drugs. So it is to manage the drugs by using the CPOE system. Okay, next. We have four different target users. So the first one is the receptionist. So basically, receptionist will be the first one to meet the patient. So it will check whether the patient have visited the hospital before. If not, then the receptionist will have to register the new patient. Next, the receptionist will add to queue. Soon will be viewed by the doctor. So the second user is the doctor. So the doctor will have a consultation session with the patient, and then will input some of reviews regarding the patient condition, and then we'll assign a prescription for pharmacist to view. So the third user is the pharmacist. So pharmacist will basically receive order from the doctor, and he or she will prepare the drugs for the patient. So the third one is the admin. So the admin will be the one who gonna manage the staff, including receptionist, doctor, and pharmacist. So he can also view the report that the hospital has made. So the next one is the modules to be developed. So we have five different main modules. So the first one, the patient management. So the patient management is where all of the patient information, all of the patient history and consultation will be saved. So it will be used by the receptionist, the doctor, and also the pharmacist. So the second one is the CPOE management. So CPOE management is basically a prescription management. So it will be used by the doctor and also the pharmacist to make an order for the patient, make an order of prescription for the patient. So it will be ordered by the doctor and soon will be reviewed by the pharmacist. The third one is the staff management. So the staff management will be 100% handled by the admin. So it will register the new staff, including the pharmacist, doctor, and also the pharmacist. The pharmacist. Okay, the next one is the billing management. So the billing management will be handled by the receptionist. So the receptionist will be able to issue an invoice for the patient or to the insurance company. So the fifth one is the report. So it will be handled by the admin. So basically, the report will show all of the cash flow of the hospital by using the system. So moving on, we're gonna do our project demonstration.
Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Syahmi Abdul Jalil, and today I will present health information system as a receptionist. After the users access log into the system, they will redirect into the dashboard page. So basically, this page display total today patient, total warded patient, total treated patient, queue patient, and low quantity drugs. So first, I show a profile. So here a profile for the user. So name is Fatima Zahra, username is Fatima 12, role is receptionist. So basically this user can add a new patient and manage the patient. So first, this is a list of the patient. The user can view the details of the patients. So we have a detail of patient, family details, family name, their phone number, IC, X-rays, email, nationality, and the address. So last is insurance details. So this patient have a health spring insurance, and the status of the insurance is not active. So the user can update their information. So example like this patient Muhammad Aliff Iqmal with Othman. So we can change their information. Let's say they change their email. So after that we can click submit. If the process is success, the user will see a success message. So next, if we add a new patient, so the user need to fill in all the information before click the register button. Next, we fill in the family details for the patient. So next, we fill in the insurance details for the patient. This patient take Takaful Islamic insurance, so the status is active. So next is if the user already finish enter the information, so they can click register to register the patient and will display a success at patient here. So just click OK. So next the user can search their IC, example here. So if the patient want to see a doctor, just click add to queue and it will display success add to waiting list here. So basically, Nur Muhammad Hafizi is already in queue list. If the user click add to queue again, it will display the user is already exist in waiting list. So next is billing. So basically, we have three sub menu, which is checkup, warden, and history. First of all, a checkup. Checkup is for patient that already finished their consultation with doctor, and they want to pay about their treatment, and the receptionist can generate the bill. Just click a pay here, and we display all the information, prescription, about the name of their drugs and so on. So we add here, we have a total price, 8 ringgit, and the payment method, we have two method, cash or insurance. So let's say we choose a cash, and we display a payment completed button. Just click here and the payment is success. So next is warded billings. This section for patient that want to check out from warded. So the the staff will click a checkout here and display all the information about the prescription and about the cost for what. We calculate the total night here, and the price per night is 122 ringgit. So we have a subtotal price here, and we have grand total price here. So the patient need to pay 736 ringgit. So user need to choose payment method, same like before. We have cash and insurance. Let's say the patient choose a cash payment method. So just click complete payment method and payment success will display. Click OK. So next is history of the billing. So we can see all the previous payment that be made in the system. So we can see the previous one is Muhammad Afizi. We can view the details of the payment here. So we display patient details and the billing details here. So that's all from this user. Thank you.
Hi and Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Muhammad Iqmal. So today I'll be presenting the doctor parts of the system. So the first thing that I'm going to do is to log in. Click login. So this is the dashboard of the doctor. As you can see, I have logged in as a doctor. So this is my dashboard. Next, I'm going to proceed to the doctor section. So this is the queued patient. The doctor can view the queued patient over here. So let's say if the doctor have one patient called Muhammad Nur Hafizi, so he's just gonna click treat patient. So this list will appear. So the doctor will check the patient and then write some reviews over here. Slide. Okay, so the doctor gonna choose whether the patient gonna be warded or not. So in this case, I'll choose no. And then I'm just gonna write the prescription over here. So let's say so this one is a live function. So the doctor just have to type any words, so the suggestion will appear. So let's say if I put basic tracing, I put 7, and then if I want to add more prescription, I'm just gonna add more over here. So a new line will appear over here. So if I want to reset, I'm just gonna click reset. So the prescription will be 0 and also the patient condition. So the doctor need to input the data that they want. So I'm just gonna type it again. Slightly fever. What the status? No. Prescription. I'm just gonna put basic tracing 7. Then I'm just gonna click complete checkup. Consultation completed. Okay. So right now in queue patient there will be no data available. So that's it for doctor session. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. My name is Luhman Musa Mutalip. I'm from BITS and I would like to present to you the user type of the system, which is HIS for staff. So first we log in. And as you can see on the left side, on the left tab, there's dashboard, order, drugs and user profile, and on the dashboard there's total to the patient and all. So I will just show you what this stuff can do. So first we can order, and here we can see the CPOE details. For example, like the status is complete for Muhammad Aliff Iqmal bin Othman. So if you can see, if we click on the view order, the status show is complete and we cannot do proceed to the next step, which is POE ready. But if we go to Muhammad Noor Hafizi, and the status is in progress, so we go to view order and CPOE ready, and the status is done. So that's mean like the drugs is deducted from our database. So the next one I will show you the drugs management. So here we can see the drugs that been added to the database. For example, just now we use basitracin, quantity is 100 and status is low, and we can add new drugs. For example, I would say Panadol, doses, say 36, when you say 100, and the price is 6.40 registered. So now success at drugs. It show error just now because the date is in front of the 29. Today is 29. I should put it 29 instead of 30. So success at drug. And as you can see, there is number 7, Panadol active, and the status is normal, because if it's below 100, I say it's low. If it's above 100, it's normal. And we can edit. For example, for vaccine 12, say the value is 500. Say drugs, success update drugs, and we show quantity 500. So that's all. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Tengku Hazim bin Azis, and today I will show admin part in health information system. Now I will log in as admin. Here is the admin dashboard. Now I will show user profile to check whether this user is role as admin. So here you can see that this user role as admin. In admin part, admin can manage staff. So here you can see all the staff in health information system. We can view staff, and if you wanna edit staff, you can edit here. Now I will show how to add staff. So we need to add a full name. Yeah. So I will set type as pharmacist, address. Now you set the username and password. Now you can register as one of the staff. So successful as staff Aiman Hakim here. So in this admin we also can view report. Here we can view the cash report. So that's all from me. Thank you.